episode, new vlog. Hindi ko siya, nakalimutan ko talaga. Ayan, papunta kami sa family day. So, yung anak ko ay blue team Valors. Ayan si daddy, ayan si Celine sa harap. Celine, look. Hi, Celine. Hey, Celine. Ayun na tumingin. Oh, yun na lang. Bye-bye. Later na lang. Dito kami sa rainforest. Buti na lang may parking pa. Marami nang dumadating. Pwede pala mag-jogging dyan, daddy, ano? 5 a.m. Ayan. Celine, look at the camera. Celine, look. Hi, say hi. Are you excited on your Valors? Can I see your t-shirt? Can I see your t-shirt? Wow, you're the Valor. Okay, anak. Thank you. Ayan, marami nang nadating. Buti na lang maaga kami. Ayan. Ayan na kami, pa-entrance ng May Bunga Rainforest. Ayan si Daddy at si Celine. And this is Sophie and Mommy. Ayan na. It's a dinosaur. Ay, good morning po. Ayan. The maze. Oo. Ha?
Free na yata sila sa entrance.
Ah, ganon?
Ang may entrance, yung mga pagpumasok-pasok pa dyan.
Oh, okay. Kasi nagja-jogging. Oh, tingnan. Pwede, pwede. O, hindi. Ilagay mo na yung... Which one? Ayan ay picnic area pala, no? It's a picnic area. Wee, what?
Dito na lang muna siguro tayo, mami.
Ah, sure ka?
Saan picture natin? Ano doon? Baka nandun din yung mga tatak.
Silipin. Nandun ba?
Puntahan nga muna natin.
Oo nga. Para sure, daddy, pag wala tayong mapwesto, sisik.
Hindi sila ganun kami sa GS. Kaya malabong wala tayong
Na yung mga teacher, mga ano.
Ay, lang mo. Paano ko?
Kasama kami sa Zumba. Nakita ko. Nandiyan sa ano, ayan lang.
Let's give him a round of applause!
Ay, sorry. Wala na palang pamaypay. Yung ano.
Journey, the official passing of the torch. The torch we speak of is not just an object. It
Ay, okay lang po.
is a representation of our mission, our values, and the trust we place in those who guide us. It represents the light of vision that must continue to shine brightly.
Celine! Ayaw tumingin. Nahihinitan.
And so, it is with immense pride. We are gathered here today to witness one of the most significant and meaningful moments in our organization's journey, the official passing of the torch. The torch we speak of is not just an object. It is the physical representation of our mission, our values, and the trust we place in those who guide us. It represents the light of vision that must continue.
Oh, move na, move! Celine, Nika, move! Celine, smile! Okay.
Napakaganda ng awitin na yan.
Mag-ready na po ibang groups ha. Huwag nyo na pong paupuin.
We will call the next. Kapag po tapos na po ang
Hey! Mike! Yeah! Ano mo, Mike? Yuki, go!
Again, palakpakan po natin lahat ng ating apat na group.
mas malakas po ng palakpakan!
Sino kaya ang mag-group?
Celine, don't go far. Hi!
Ikaw sa page.